Hello everyone, as I said in the previous video, today we're going to see about a waste management company, Antony Waste Handling Cell. This company is engaged in the business of mechanical power sweeping of roads, collection and transportation of waste, waste to energy projects, and undertake the design, construction, operation and maintenance of integrated waste management facility in Mumbai. It is one of the top 5 players in Indian municipal waste management industry with a track record of almost 20 years. Let's see what Antony Waste Handling Cell has. It was started in 2001 and it tried to launch its IPO in the beginning of 2020. Then due to pandemic situations, it got postponed to December and the company got actually listed on January 1, 2021. The price band is at 315 rupees and the stock got listed at 430 rupees. Services offered. The company is a pioneer in municipal waste management, providing a full spectrum of services which includes solid waste collection and transportation, mechanized and non-mechanized sweeping, waste processing and treatment, and waste to energy. Project portfolio. Presently, the company has 18 ongoing projects, out of which 12 are MSW collection and transportation. MSW means Municipal Solid Waste Management. And 2 MSW processing plants and 4 mechanized sweeping projects. It has geographical presence in 9 states in India through the ongoing and the completed projects. Next is vehicle fleet. Presently, the company has a fleet of around 1150 vehicles, out of which 970 are with GPS tracking devices and 690 of total vehicles are small tippers, followed by compactors which accounts to 280 and the big tippers which accounts to 85 numbers. Cluster based approach. This is the approach the company follows in their business model, where they have majority of their projects in and around Mumbai and NCR. It's like 5 ongoing projects in Mumbai and 6 ongoing projects in NCR, which means they have a dumping or processing plant nearby this municipal location and start searching projects in clusters around 20 to 25 kilometers around these dump yards and processing plants. This is the cluster based business approach model. Next is main key points to notice about Antony. The company is the owner of one of the largest single location waste processing plant in Asia. The Kanjurmarg site in Mumbai handles almost 5,000 tons per day of solid waste with a total capacity of handling 7,500 tons of waste per day, which means their capacity utilization is around 66.6%. It has a bioreactor landfill with a capacity of 6,500 tons per day, sanitary land waste of 250 tons per day, and material recovery and composting facility of 1,000 tons per day. The site handles almost 60% of total waste generated in Mumbai, which is a very interesting thing. Next is the company entered into WTE waste to energy area with an approval of construction of its first WTE plant at Pimpri, Maharashtra with a capacity of almost 14 megawatt of power. The cost of project is 250 crore, with which almost 75% of its amount is raised through debt. The waste handling capacity of the site will be 1,000 tons per day. There are only 5 such waste to energy projects in India till the December of 2020. Next is revenue breakup. Municipal solid waste collection transportation projects accounts for 58% of their total revenue and processing projects accounts to 29% and other contracts gives 13%. Next is client concentration. The company derives significant revenue from a small number of customers, which includes municipal authorities of different regions. Presently, top 5 clients of the company contributes 77.5% of their revenue, which was around 91% in financial year 2018. This is a very positive point for the company. Next is corporate governance and litigations. The company has a pending litigations of around 62.1 lakhs on an overall basis over the promoters and other group companies and directors, which is a very less amount compared to their market cap and the assets they possess. Next is current strength. Experience of promoter. This company has three main promoters: Jose Jacob, Shiju Jacob, and Shiju Anthony. These guys are having a very good experience of around 20 plus years in this waste handling business. Agreements are multi-year basis. The average tenure of these agreements for waste handling from government is around 7 to 10 years, and in certain cases of processing contracts of waste and dumping yards, government have given 20 years of contract to Antony, which gives a continuous revenue to Antony Waste for a tenure of 20 years. Diversified revenue. They had mechanical and non-mechanical sweeping, waste processing, waste to energy, and other collection and transportation. So they have a very diversified revenue sources in their business. Good margin with low maintenance cost. This the company achieves by using their cluster-based approach business model. So their maintenance charge is so less and they are making a very high margin. Let's know about their margin when we discuss about their financials and ratios. Current weakness. India has a total of 205 municipals and Antony Waste only has 10 to 12 of them, which is almost 5% of the total municipals available in India. We can say it in both ways. This is a negative thing. Due to a high competition, Antony can't capture most of these municipal contracts. And another thing is, Antony is having only 5% of municipal contracts and remaining 95 to capture in the future. Receivables from municipal authorities. There is a lots of receivable amounts are pending from the government side. This impacts the cash flow of Antony. Ongoing waste to energy project. This project is started in February 2021 and going to take some 15 to 18 months for completion. So based on the success, this will turn into a positive thing, and if it's a failure, this will be considered as a negative for Antony because they have invested around 250 crore in this project. Change in government regulations. Government frequently changes waste management regulations in India. This will hamper the business of Antony. Next, let's talk about the ratios and financials. Market cap of the company is 977 crore and debt is 115 crore. The company reduced its debt drastically in the past few years and increased its reserve to 334 crore in the past 3 to 4 years. The current market price of the share is 345 rupees and the book value per share is 123 rupees, and price to earnings ratio of the company stands at 21.7. Since the company is in the waste management field, there is no other peer companies, so there is no industrial PE for this company. Compounded profit growth for 5 years is 21% and return on equity for the past 5 years is 24%. Return on equity between 15 to 20 is considered as a very good ratio, but this company is having 24%, which is very excellent for this company. Compounded sales growth for the past 5 years is 16% and operating margin stands at 24.6%, which means if the company receives 100 rupees, 24.6 rupees remains as profit in their hands. With this, the video ends. I am happy to hear suggestions from you. Next video will be on a company which is dealing in specialty chemicals and pharmaceuticals. This company turned their table on their favor for the past 3 to 4 years. So wait for my next video. Thank you for watching.